Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Kalpana. And how are you? I hope you will be healthy and cheerful. My name is Kalpana Gangwar and today in this video I am going to talk about English speaking. Please keep watching. Without further ado, let's get into video. And I am going to talk about English speaking. And I want to say something. If we are neophyte, so what? We are novice, so what? Should we not try to speak? Should we not start to speak? We should try to speak. We can try to speak English. Try to speak English. When we shall try to speak English, after that our speaking will be getting better. If we will not speak in English, how to think our speaking will be getting better? No, never. If we shall speak, after that our speaking would be getting better. And if we learn any work, and we do not learn any work a single day, and success does not come in one day. Every work takes time, and everyone work wants to effort. If we get effort in any work regularly, then we learn any work, any language, if we try to learn. And for example, our political leaders, they contest elections, but they get defeated, and but they never lose hope. They never accept defeat, and they try, and next time they stand up. Next time they stand up with full of enthusiasm and to contest election. And until the election, they do not get success, and they do hard work to win election, and they try again and again until until they get success. So if we will try to speak, if we will try to speak, our speaking will be getting better. And so please try to speak, and don't worry about any fear. Don't worry about if you are beginner. No, try to speak. Thanks for watching.